Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a free TradingView account step by step. First, open your browser and go to www.tradingview.com. This is the official site where all the magic happens. Once you're in the home page, click the Get Started and join for free. Sign up. You can sign up using your email address or quickly log in with Google, Apple, or even Facebook. For this video, I'll use my Google account. Next, choose your preferred username and tick this. It's up to you if you want to receive marketing emails with special offers. I'll leave that one. Click Next. Also, TradingView will send a confirmation email. Just open your inbox, find the email, and click the confirmation link to activate your account. Once you're in, you can personalize your profile by setting a username, choosing your interests, and adjusting your preferences. Click your profile icon, and here's your dashboard. And that's it. Now you can explore TradingView's powerful real-time charts, add indicators, and even create watch lists for free. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future tutorials. Thank you for watching.